Okay, Tuesday planner. You have got religion, math, which we're about to start, science, you'll have a video on that. Phonics, I'm going to do a video. You've got quite a bit of workbook pages there that are contractions. And then, well, not quite a bit, I mean 2. And then Spanish from Mrs. Fountain. So right now you need your textbook open, and we are on 366. I have got my webcam going up here. And I've been trying all sorts of ways to get the best video to you. I definitely like the headphones. I feel like that's a clearer sound. And I'm living with the webcam. It's working okay. It's above me right now, so if I get in its way, sorry. I'm trying as best I can, man. Alright, mass. Okay, this is not what we go to on Fridays or what you've been watching on Facebook. This is measurement by weight, so mass. So the gram and the kilogram are metric units for measuring mass, or the amount of matter inside an object. A paper clip has about a 1 gram mass, while a large book has a mass of about 1 kilogram. So you can see the kids here, they're weighing things. It looks like nickels. A nickel has a mass of about 5 grams. And we have one of these weight and measure scales. I would have got it out for us, but I'm sorry. You'll just have to use a scale there in your house, maybe. Or if you remember going to the doctor, you've stepped on a scale before. But we measured you in pounds. And when you're a baby, even ounces, because we want to make sure you're gaining weight. But this is grams and kilograms, so this is metric. These are not the typical units of measurement in the United States. We like to be different, so we use our standard system. Sorry, I'm messing with the webcam because I don't want you to see all that tripod business. Oh, there. Oh, I got it. I'm leaving it alone. Okay, name an object that has a mass of each amount. So 5 grams. Well, they already gave us that one as a nickel. What about 2 kilograms? So this is more like a pound and a half. Like a sack of sugar. Or maybe a teacup chihuahua. No, they're more than that. Maybe a full glass of iced tea, like one of those big Yeti cups that I'm always carrying around. That would be 2 kilograms. Okay, or 2 of your textbooks if you took home heavy homework. Okay. All right, this kitty cat has a mass of 5 grams. How many grams is that? Well, if 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram, this kitty cat is 5,000 grams. Now, she's not a big fat cat. She's a cute cat. Lydia loves cats. Sorry, I messed with my webcam again. I promised you I wouldn't, and I did anyway. Okay, I'll leave it alone. So the cat has a mass of 5,000 grams. All right, y'all are going to giggle. This is a cell phone. That's what that picture is. That is an old school cell phone. 200 grams or 200 kilograms? 200 grams, yeah. It doesn't weigh more than the cat. I mean, they were big, but not that big. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strawberries. So a half dozen. 18 grams or 18 kilograms? Yeah, 18 grams. You don't need your spiral. You don't have to write anything down. We're just going to talk about it. Look at that dog. 9 grams, which is close to the mass of a nickel, or 9 kilograms. Yeah, kilograms. Good. All right. Choose the tool and unit to measure each. So our tools to choose from over here are ruler, liter container, and a balance, which is this guy and gal over here. It's like a scale. And we can do it in centimeter, kilogram, liter, gram, milliliter, meter. The length of a pencil, ruler, and centimeter. Capacity of a bucket, a liter container, and probably liter. You could do milliliter, but liter would probably be more efficient. The mass of a flower, a simple balance, and gram. The mass of a grape, the exact same thing, a simple balance and a gram. They're both small. Capacity of a tea kettle, liter, and a liter container. And then the length of a stamp, now it says length, ruler, and centimeters. Very good. All right, I'm done with my textbook there. You can close that and push that aside. Get your Tuesday planner. And it says Math Workbook 97. I think I put your name on this page, but if I didn't, please do so. Circle the better estimate of the metric unit. The nickel, 6 grams or 6 kilograms? Yep, 6 grams. A watch, 25 grams or 25 kilograms? I am not carrying a 25 kilogram watch around on my wrist all day. It's got to be lighter than that. That's a really odd looking puppy dog, 22 kilograms. Backpack, well, if a textbook weighs a kilogram, backpack that's full is 4 kilograms. The pencil, grams, 6 of them. And this is a radio. I've got one of those in my classroom. Surely you've seen something that looks similar to that. 2 kilograms. Oh, look, same chart. Choose the tool and unit to measure each. The mass of a computer disk. Okay, I got a question the other day on Google Classroom what the picture was. And it was a floppy disk, which is an old school USB drive. Okay, a thumb drive, a flash drive, a jump drive. That's an old school portable computer disk. Doesn't weigh very much. So grams. And that's the balance. So you would put measured weights on one side of the balance and then your item, and you would see which one is heavier. The length of your desk. I'm sitting at my desk, so I'm going to go with ruler and meter. The capacity of a sink is a liter container. Yes, I'm abbreviating, and this one's capital L. I do not know why, but it just is. It's very special, kind of like the sun. The mass of a sack of sugar. Now, it's a sack of sugar. I'm assuming that's what you buy at Walmart, not something bigger. But that word is throwing me. But it does say mass, and so that's going to be a balance. And that could be kilogram if it was a huge sack, but I'm just going to stick with gram. I'm just going to assume it's one of those smaller than my piece of paper here, sacks of sugar at Walmart. The length of your hand, we're going to measure with a ruler. And it's going to be centimeters. The mass of 2 bricks, that's on a balance because it says mass. We have hint words in all of these, by the way. We can color them here in a second. The mass of 2 bricks, a balance. I think I'm going with kilograms there, guys. They're more like a textbook in weight. The mass of a feather, balance. And gram, if even that. And the mass of an eraser, this is the same exact answer, balance and gram. I know I wrote them backwards and forwards on some of them, but that's just how I wrote. Y'all know me by now. All right, get a color. We got to have a color. Maybe 2, maybe 3. Let me reach into this abyss of a desk that Drake's got going in here. Okie dokie. Karaoke. Alright, so mass is going to be this balance. And I see that word here. Here. We could have done this at the beginning. I didn't know that it was that fancy. Okay. And mass is also this one and this one. All right, length. See that word here and here, and I'm going to use a ruler. And that's a meter or a centimeter. And my third color, the liter container, which is liter or milliliter. And I only had that one once, capacity. Alright, mixed review. I would like to do this one with you. Okay, I have a blank divided by 3 equals 4. So all I need to do is the opposite. So in order to find the answer, I need to do 4 times 3 equals that blank. The rest of them are pretty straightforward. Use your white space for number 19 and number 20, please. If you have any questions on mass and metric units, ask away.